This instruction video demonstrates how to apply PROMIX white plaster mortar on a blockwork by using PROMIX Plaster Jet. Add PROMIX white plaster mortar with 4 liters of potable water and mix well using a party mixer. Spray the mixed plaster one panel at a time till the whole wall is plastered. Immediate leveling has to be done with edge-type leveling board. Fill up any voids that may appear with additional plaster and roll again. Use small amounts of water if needed and floor till you get a uniform surface. Use a sponge floor with little amounts of water to get a creamy smooth surface. Finally, polish with a steel trowel to achieve the ideal internal plaster finish.